This is Spot. Spot had an accident on the carpet, but we're gonna take care of it with OdorXit Concentrate. The following video will demonstrate how to prepare and apply the OdorXit Concentrate Odor Eliminator. Add in 4 ounces of concentrate, 12 ounces of carpet shampoo with surfactant, and 1 gallon of water. You can also use a carpet shampooer for bigger areas. When applying the solution, make sure it comes in contact with the entire spot. Now we wait as the concentrate soaks into the source of the odor for at least 10 minutes. Concentrate is safe to use even on your pet's fur or face to remove skunk odor. Concentrate contains water and essential oils, not enzymes or harsh chemicals. Get your house clean without making a scene. Concentrate eliminates the odors of cat and pet urine, skunk spray on a pet, people, vomit, feces, and more. Learn more at odorxit.com or give us a call at 877-636-7948.